Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can remove any background from a video which doesn't have a green screen. So here I've already have two clips. One is an anime video and the other one is a video of a real person dancing, and here I'm going to show you how you can remove the background of these two videos. So first I'm going to show you how to remove the background from this video. So you just need to go to video and go to the cutout tab, and in here for this video you can use the customized cutout. So just turn on the feature, and in here you can just use the brush. I'm going to erase first. Okay, just click on the brush here, smart brush, and then just like this, do this, just mark the part of the video that you want to cut out. So CapCut will be mark the object like this, and you can just click on apply after that, and just wait until the customized cutout apply to the clip. Okay, so now the cutout has been applied, and you can see here the background will be removed, has been removed from the first clip. Okay, so for the second video I'm going to just use the outer cutout to make it easier, so you don't need to mark the object that you want to remove its background. So you can just click on this to turn on the outer cutout and just wait for the processing to finish. Okay, so the outer cutout has been completed, and like the first video, now the background has been removed like this. Okay guys, so that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Please do click on subscribe, like, comment if you have any question, and click on the thanks below. Bye.